What came in, sir?
Pierre Cardin.
His brains.
Oh, wow.
Oh no, that's.
Hey.
I know.
We don't make fun of him that bad.
I know.
I mean.
I know. I'm sorry.
Jesus.
We're not supposed to make fun of this.
What is up with that hair?
Are we?
I'm working on. I gotta
He's
go.
working on thinking how quickly he's gonna kill me.
Yeah, he was thinking hard on that one.
I can see it.
All right. Sorry, we got a little distracted
Fuel
there.
tank straps. And fuel pump. For our buddy Pierre Cardin Evolution.
So then we're just waiting for the tank to come in?
Tank and one other thing. I can't remember what it is. Oh, the strainer. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So that's
Cool.
So those are here.
Well, then maybe by the beginning next week, since this week's kind of weird and short.
Yeah, we'll be back on it. Ooh, magnet.
Woo! Oh.
And that's a lot of garbage.
Yep. All right, guys. Well, hey, there you go. Damn boy.
Oh yeah, gas cap's coming too.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Which car?
Here.
I didn't realize they didn't have a gas cap.
Well, we'll need your tank.
Oh no, I get you.
All right. Later.